Hi, you see this background behind me over here? Somewhere? Yeah, here. Yeah, that's a bokeh effect. So in Photoshop, we're gonna learn how to do that today. Let's get right into it. Press Ctrl J. We have duplicated. So now we're going to take our magic wand tool and we're going to select subject. So if the AI recognizes it, they'll select me only. So it selected me pretty well. You might have a little bit of my hair gone, so let's just reselect that. Okay, never mind. You know what? We'll just leave it for now. So instead, what we're gonna do, go right click, layer via copy. So now what we do, or what we have, is a layer of ourselves. And I like this because it separates us from the background. So what you're gonna do to the background that you created, the photo that you just took, you're gonna go filter, blur gallery, field blur. So up here on the right or wherever you have it placed, you can adjust the blur. So you'll see it'll mess with it, and you can go really blurry or you can go, subtle. And ideally you want to go subtle because it'll be more convincing. But it depends on the photo, it depends what you're doing. So you can do that. You can put some bokeh in it. So you can lighten things up. You could mess with the colors too. Let's see if we can do a little bit. Let's make it more subtle. But you can see that over here on the left where the business sign is, it's changing. So now we press OK. It'll take a second or two, and our effect has applied. But we're not gonna leave it there. So to make this more cohesive, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna put, I like to put a rectangle. We're gonna put a rectangle on top, and you can put any color depending on what you're doing. Again, like blue, red, whatever you want. Black is probably the safest just because it keeps the shadows intact. You can do a lot more with it. So we're gonna play with blending modes. So see what you like. Typically screen or overlay will be the best. And you can see, okay, it's really dark right now. We don't really like this. So mess with the opacity, bring it down, and you can see if I just unselect it, the difference it makes, and you can get a really cool effect of shadows and something. So you can play around with this and create whatever effect you want. So if you like this video, please comment down below and like so people can see it, and subscribe so you can be out of the journey. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.